Hi brother, Shay here. This video is about a bad performance in the bedroom. If this happened recently and you feel like you don't know what to do, then you're in the right place. First up, in the bottom right hand corner, you will see a red box that says subscribe. If this video is helpful for you, click on that box so that you can get the latest videos and tools as I share them. Okay, so today we're talking about what happens when there's a bad performance in the bedroom. So you come to a moment of intimacy, things don't go to plan, and then all of a sudden our mind is flooded with these what if questions. What if I can't get hard the next time? What if it stays like this forever? What if I can't get this sorted? What if my partner leaves me because of this? We have all of these questions that suddenly just feel like they're intrusive and just feel very intense in our mind. So why does this happen? Well, first of all, whenever we experience what I call a significant emotional event, so when something like this doesn't go to plan, but when there's a lot of intensity that comes along with it, so sexual performance anxiety is a perfect example of that. Our brain creates this really strong rush of feelings and thoughts, and we get flooded with the thoughts that we've just spoken about, and it can get to the point where we feel like we're just drowning in those thoughts. Every time we then go to have intimacy, the same thoughts come back like that. All of a sudden, just in the mind, we start asking ourselves these what if questions. So it's normal for this to happen when we've experienced a significant emotional event. But of course, we want to move forward. We don't want to stay stuck, and we definitely don't want to drown in these thoughts. So what do we do to be able to get this sorted? And the first step is clarity, getting clarity on what's actually happened here and how do I get to the bottom of what's going on. To do that, I have developed something I call the Performance Anxiety Assessment. This is a free quiz. It's 10 yes or no questions that you answer. This will take you less than 2 minutes to complete. Below in the comments, I'll put the link to the quiz, and click on that link. It will take you straight to the first question to answer yes or no to. I will then show you your personal score, plus I will give you a very first tool. This is a brand new tool that will start to show you exactly what is going on, what's at the bottom of this here, so we know what to focus on and what not to focus on to be able to get this sorted so that you can feel normal again and have the kind of sex that you used to. I'll see you on the quiz. Head below in the comments now, click on that link. I'll see you there.